So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand history current user. And now you want to expand control panel. And now you want to click on desktop. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the desktop folder. You want to scroll down until we find Paint Desktop Version. Double click on it. Now once we're here, in this box, you want to make the value data 4. So make sure you have Paint Desktop Version, value data as 4, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description. It's going to take you to the Major Geeks website. You want to download the Universal Watermark Disabler. Once you go to the website, it should automatically start the download for you. If it does not, then you want to click right here. Now once that's been downloaded, you want to right click on it and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with the zip file. We're now going to run the Universal Watermark Disabler. Double click on it and then click on yes and then click on install and then click on yes. Once it's been installed, it's going to give you a warning. Make sure that you save all your work and your files. It's going to sign you out, so click on OK. And it's now going to sign you out. And you can now sign back in, and the watermark is going to be removed.